Start.
Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Trivia Time, presented by Futurepreneur, episode 6. Today's Trivia Time is going to be very musical and inspirited, but I would say the difficulty level is moderate. But then, if you guys are really good at Bollywood songs and movies, it's just too simple for you guys. Anyways, on that note, over to the rules of Trivia Time. If you guys want to be part of our Trivia Time, these are the following steps that you will have to follow. Step one, go to your browser and type www.kahoot.it, or if you're using your mobile phone, you can might as well download the Kahoot app and you can enter into the Kahoot page. Once you enter into the Kahoot page, you will have to enter the game pin that's displayed on the Zoom's shared screen. Today's game pin is 2809260. Once you're done entering the game pin, you will have to enter your name. Make sure you enter your full name. So once you're done providing all your credentials, you can just sit back and wait for the game to begin. Please keep it noted that the questions will be displayed on the Zoom's shared screen and only the options will be displayed on the Kahoot page. So make sure to keep an eye on the Zoom's shared screen. So there will be a total of 16 questions for you guys to answer today, each with 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it's going to be a really exciting session. I'm pretty sure about that. So without any delay, let's get into this week's trivia time. Let's take a look at the first question for today. Guess the movie from the given still. You guys have 30 seconds. Okay, 5 of you already answered. Good job. And time's up. Okay, 6 of you got it right. Good job, guys. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Okay, Jack is on lead, followed by Adavin and Gokul. Okay, a neck-to-neck score. Second question for today. Okay, so this question is related to Python. So which of the following is an invalid statement? Not bad. 5 of you got it right. Good job. And the leaderboard has drastically changed. Okay, Hari Prasad is on lead now. Next question. Okay, so this question is double points. You need to guess the singer of this song. So the Tamil song is translated to English. So to find the song, translate back to Tamil and then guess the singer. You guys have 1 minute, so you can take your time. You guys are very quick. Everybody is good with Collywood, I believe. Wow, 9 of you got it right. Good job. Okay, can you tell me the song title? You don't have to sing, you can just tell me the song.
Maruati Pesade.
Very good. Okay, let's take a look at the next question. Yeah, guess the movie from the still. 3 amazing heroes in one movie, so you would know. 10 seconds more. All right. Most of you got it right. Good job. Okay, and the leaderboard hasn't changed, but Divya has the highest streak with 4 right answers in a go. Okay, so next question, question number 5, another question on Python. Which among the following is true about variable names in Python? Hey, okay. Just two of you got it right. No problem. Okay, and the leaderboard has changed. Gokul gave a big fight, and Janisha still has four streaks with four right answers in a row. Okay, next double point question. Guess the singer of this song. Again, the song is translated into English, so you have to guess the song first and then guess the singer. Okay, one of you already answered. Really? I'm surprised. I found it very difficult to find the answer. How do you guys do it? You guys can still take time. There's still nearly 30 seconds left. Guess the singer of this song. Okay, only 7 seconds left. Hurry up. Okay, only one of you got it right. I believe this is very difficult. I agree. Okay, Gokul, tell me the song. You can just tell me the song if you know, or it was just a fluke.
Oh, seriously, I don't know the answer.
You didn't know the answer. So the song was Konchi
Uh,
Pesida Venam by K.S. Chitra.
okay, now only I
Right.
just got it. It was
Okay,
random guess
great
only.
luck. Yeah, great luck. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, so guess the movie from the still. Okay, very good. Everybody's good with movies. Like all of you are getting the answer, right? But Gokul still on lead. Good job, Gokul. Over to the question number 8. Another Python question. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Easy. 10 seconds left. Okay. Today is a very confusing trivia time. Most of you are getting few questions right, but most of you are not. But then still, okay. So Atul, Adhavan, and Janisha has taken a place in the leaderboard. Let's see how the leaderboard is going to change. So again, you will have to guess the movie from the still. Okay, that was quick. Everybody knows this movie, I believe. Yes, it was the right answer. Good job, guys. Okay, Adavin has a streak of three right answers in a go. Vocal still on lead. Question number 10. Which of the following is invalid in accordance to Python? So 5 seconds left. Okay, three of you got it right. Okay, so we have still Gokul on the lead, but then followed by Janisha with 4 right answers in a go, and then Jack, Sanjana, and Hari Prasad. Okay, tough fight today. Okay, a double point question. This can change the leaderboard drastically. So let's see. You guys have 1 minute, so you can take your time and answer. Guess this song. You should simply guess the song. Twenty seconds more. Right, just 5 seconds more. Come on, guys, hurry up. Okay, 6 of you got it right. Good job, guys. I would have never guessed. Janisha is on lead. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, a drastic change in the leaderboard. Let's see how it goes. Over to the next question. Question number 12. Guess the movie from the still. Arya's movie. So hope you guys know the answer. Let me see. Okay, 7 of you got it right. It was pretty simple, I believe. Okay, Janisha is still on lead, followed by Adavin and Sanjana. Okay, over to the next question. Question number 13. A question on Python again. What is the maximum possible length of an identifier in Python? Hmm. 10 seconds left. Okay, one of you got it right. Smart person, who that one was. Over to the next question. Okay, a double point question. This can change the leaderboard again. So, guess the song. I know it's difficult, but try. You guys have 1 minute, so you can try. Okay, one of you already answered. Oh my god. You guys are pretty good with Bollywood songs. Okay, try to choose an option that's like closest to what you see on the screen. Closest to the lyrics that you see on the screen. I'll just give you a simple clue here. Okay, 10 seconds left. Okay, 4 of you got it right. Good job, guys. Okay, now Sanjana is on the second place, followed by Divya and Atul. Janisha is still big fight, still on the first place. Okay, question number 15. Second last question for today. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Oh, what do you think? Come on, guys, let me see your answers. Good job. 4 of you got it right. Okay. Okay, just Ardavin's on the third place. The change, okay. Last question for today's trivia time, and it's a double point question. So it can change the leaderboard. So let's see who wins today. You guys have 1 minute, so you can take your time. You need to guess the music director, okay? 20 seconds left. Okay, only 5 of you answered. Come on. Okay, 4 of you got it right. Okay, let's look at the podium. On the third place, we have Divya, and on the second place, we have Janisha. Okay. And the winner for this week's trivia time is Sanjana. Congratulations, guys. I will start off with Sanjana. Hello, Sanjana.
Hello, Sonia.
Yeah, so is this your first trivia time?
No, actually, I think this is my fourth, but this is my first win.
Win. All right. So this is your fourth. So you came prepped up today to win.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing fight. Like, okay, wonderful scores. You got like 12 out of 16 questions right. That's just amazing. I don't know. I would have never guessed all those questions right. So was it difficult for you, or it all came in fluke and luck?
Almost all came in fluke. I just guessed whoever name I know and picked that song or whatever.
Okay, so you used your strategy, luck plus strategy, and you answered. Okay, great.
Yeah.
I appreciate your honesty. So, so how is your experience? Maybe one line. I would take it as a feedback from you.
Yeah. About trivia time.
Yes, about trivia time.
Yeah, I really enjoyed this game. Actually, I never missed this game from my first day. So if in fact I'm busy, I will try to make myself free by 6:30.
All right, it brings me so much joy when I know I have dedicated audience. I would want to host more trivia times in the upcoming weeks. I'll definitely not break the chain and host it almost every week. Thank you, Sanjana, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so over to Janisha. Congratulations, Janisha.
Thank you, Sonia.
Yeah, you also got like 12 out of 16, questions right. Like great fight, but then, a slight difference in the score. So how
Yeah.
is your experience with trivia time? Was it difficult for you?
No, it's not difficult. It's fun actually.
Okay, it was fun. How was it difficult for you to guess those songs? It was difficult for me. So when I was
Like,
doing the questions.
yeah, the songs are actually kind of okay, but guessing the director is kind of hard.
Yes, yeah, I understand. Because all of you guys were doing phenomenal, performance. You guys were giving phenomenal performance in the, previous trivia time. So I had to make it a little difficult. So I was like, why not? Why not this time?
Yeah,
Anyways,
you did a good. Yeah, it was a little hard.
okay. Anyways, congratulations, Janisha. Keep joining trivia times.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you.
Thank you. Over to Divya. Congratulations, Divya.
Thank you so much, Sonia.
Yeah, you're constantly winning trivia time. I'm so glad.
I'm very happy to participate and win always.
Okay, next time bring your sister also, please.
Yeah, sure. Sure, I'll bring her.
Yeah, so how was your experience with trivia time this week?
Actually, yes, trivia time is always a stress buster for all, not only for me. And even this week, it did the same. Yes, and I enjoyed the game.
All right, very interesting. Thank you for that feedback. Anyways, congratulations to all three of you. It was a wonderful session personally for me. I enjoyed looking at all your answers, the way you carried out everything. Thank you so much for joining, and congratulations to all the winners. I hope to see you in next week's trivia time. Thank you, guys. Gokul, we can stop recording.
Sir,
Google, you have to record.